years ago lies a square named for a governor, Governor Maia Magalhães. Could you ever have foreseen 99 years ago you would have this here square? In 1925 you took the helm, Governor of Macau, he ruled the realm. Just for 1 year, a fleeting cheer, barely enough to drink a beer. 99 years have flown, for 1 year he made Macau his own. Governor Maia Magalhães, your name lives on in a square. Largo Maia Magalhães, echoes of your legacy linger there. Friends meet up to sit around, couples share a quiet bench where love is gently found. The cafes buzz with chatter, the clink of glasses near. In the square of stories, every voice is clear. In 1925 he took the helm, Governor of Macau, he ruled the realm. Just for 1 year, a fleeting cheer, barely enough to drink a beer. 99 years have flown, for 1 year he made Macau his own. Governor Maia Magalhães, your name lives on in a square. Largo Maia Magalhães, echoes of your legacy linger there.
Okay, we got a little ice cream reference here, and then we have this Largo. The song is going to be called 99 years ago, but actually now it's officially 100 years ago because I created that song in 2024. But we're going to be doing this little square and talking about this year of the snake. We'll check that out as well. You can see some nice rooftops around here, some nice buildings, lots of people as well, even a hair shop. But we're going to walk around a little bit and show you what it looks like in 2025. So stay tuned for that. Okay, this one is a slice of taipa for you. I've been filming this quite a bit more lately. It just seems more of a focal point that's kind of attractive to the camera lens. Maia Magalhães Square. And I do have some music for it. I created this song in 2024, and at that time, the name of this plaza is named after a governor who was in Macau 100 years ago, exactly today. But when I created the song in AI, it was 99 years ago. So the whole music that I created in the lyrics is about 99 years ago, da 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 da, all that such. You heard it already. So that's the background of that, because it commemorates a governor that ruled Macau for only 1 year, exactly 100 years ago today, 99 years ago when I wrote the song. Anyways, those are lyrics up there, and I know that all you really want to do is just walk down that street as if you were there yourself. Let's do it. Let's do it. Maia Magalhães Square, Macau. Okay. Let's just take a look here. We're going to capture some of these angles for one, and the square is going to be our focus. We're going to check out that snake as well, but I just want to walk around a little bit and come around to the other side of the street. It's actually really photogenic throughout all of this area. Lots of nice angles of places like that, and like this. Nice beautiful pastel buildings as well. And then we are going to go into this one, and this whole thing is our plaza right in there. You can see a rooftop up there too, the green. Okay, so we're going to walk into ours. It's kind of cool as well. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is try to capture the corners of this particular building. And then we have this year of the snake, so it's kind of inflatable. It's 2025, so this was one of the things that they... Right there, Happy New Year, Year of the Snake 2025. Okay. Some little Instagram stuff too. Okay. So this little matcha Macau is very popular. We're just gonna walk all the way down, so we'll try to give you an idea of this park. Lots of park benches in here. And there's another entrance right here too. So 2025, Year of the Snake. Nice balconies up at the top, you can see all those up there. Places to sit like these. I think those are kind of new. They always have kind of different things. And then there's even some balconies up there. You can get some rooftop coffee shops. More places to sit over here. More events as well. So I think what we're gonna do is just kind of walk through this little alley right in here. This is called Travessa de Brussels. And we'll just kind of sneak through. Yeah, these alleys are amazing in here, this type of village. So that's a lot of it is these alleys everywhere, but then the plazas are around as well, of course. And ours is directly that way, but you can also see there's lots of other stuff throughout. I'm just going to walk down briefly, just because Taipa Village is such a cool little spot. It's worth kind of showing you what it looks like. So there's more lit up things everywhere. We will go back. We'll go back in a moment. Just want to give a full picture of what we're looking at here. Okay. So now we're kind of out this big main food street. Then this long line. They're all standing in line for food. This is Food Street right here. So people will stand in line, and this one they're standing in line for beef or pao. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our little Maia de Magalhães. But so our focus was that little plaza. Okay, so we're gonna head back down. We'll go down this way. So we're gonna go right back into our plaza again. Okay. So you get an idea of the type of village. Now we end up back at our plaza again. Magalhães. So I'm just going to I'm going to go through this alley real quick as well, just to kind of give you the full context. Hair salon right there. So you can actually go down these little alleys everywhere this way too. Come out at another plaza, wrap around a little bit. So you can do things like this. And no cars. So now we're back at another small plaza. Other things going on over here. Now we're just gonna cruise back. Sometimes there's more people over here than there is right now. But now we just go right back into our alley again. There we go. Largo, Maia de Magalhães.
governor of Macau, he ruled the realm. Just for 1 year, a fleeting cheer, barely enough to drink a beer. 99 years have flown. For 1 year he made Macau his own.